Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends! Can you guess what we're going to draw today? That's right, we're drawing and coloring the whistling competition between Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep. Do you remember that funny episode? It was so silly and cute. Alright, let's start drawing together. First, I'll draw Peppa Pig. I'll begin with her nose and her face just like this. Then I'll draw her cute eyes and her two little ears. She's holding a telephone in her hand, so let's draw that too. She's calling Suzy, just like in the episode. Now let's draw Suzy Sheep. We'll start with her head and add her two ears like this. Then, I'll draw the telephone she's holding. Next, I'll draw Suzy's eyes and her mouth. She's whistling just like this. Suzy is Peppa's best friend, and she wants to show off her whistling skills too. Who do you think will whistle better, Peppa or Suzy? Our drawing is almost done. You're doing an amazing job. Now it's time to color. Let's start with Peppa's dress. It will be red. Next, I also use red for Suzy's telephone. Then I use rainbow color to paint, and then I color this phone sky blue. Next, I'll use light pink to color Suzy's dress. And I'll use the same soft pink for Peppa's skin. Everything looks so cute. You're such a talented artist. Great job, everyone! If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I can't wait to draw with you again. See you in the next video. Goodbye.